Today everyone, I am Aljan Nabina from the Engineering Department. So today I want to talk about a topic that is close to our hearts and nations. Future's anti-corruption efforts in the Philippines. But before all that, I want to give you a question. How truly come in a building a society where integrity is not exceptions but unwavering ones? So, corruption has been a major obstacle to economic growth, social fairness, and public trust in our institutions. Acknowledging this, the government and civil society have worked hard to create a legal framework to tackle corruption. Laws like anti-graft, corruption practices, and the whistleblower protections form a foundations of these efforts. Alongside these laws, such as Ombudsman, Sandigan Bayan, and Presidential Anti-Corruption Commissions play a crucial role in ensuring clear investigations and accountability. These efforts learn to demonstrate our nation's dedication to transparency and justice. Although progress has been made, we remain critical to have continually to have regard to institutions' capability. Fighting corruption is more than enforcement, requires to ongoing vigilance, collective efforts, effective. Together, we must take ambitions to promote a culture of integrity. Reconnecting with this life, transparency is a vital. And areas like government, procurement, public services, and community work. Many of us working within these systems hold emotions, but who will believe that ethical standards are upheld and accountability mechanisms are work. We have seen how stronger policies can support principled decisions and how timely justice storage confidence in public institutions. Yet, we are also aware of the challenges and frustrations that arise, prompting us to consider how our own actions enforce integrity. The truly essence of combating corruption lies in balancing hope with realism. Imagine if us this daily experience reminds us that fighting corruption practical are unachievable. By working together, with dedications, whether in public or private sectors, can create trust and government, help where trust and accountability thrive. This joint effort can support framework and strengthen the values that drive our progress. Reflecting on our nations, fighting against corruption, it is encouraging to see both thriving and potential are continually to enhance laws, improve institutions, and engage citizens offers a hopeful path grounded in resilience and shared values. But this mission goes beyond enforcement that calls for cultivating a culture where cultivating uncertainty become intensive, not only obligatory. Imagine each of us embrace these rules. These rules will remove obviously seeing ourselves as the leader of ethical governance. These visions inspire us to keep learning, encourage open dialogue, and strengthen partnership across all the sectors. Let us vow to be champion and through transparency and ethical leadership, knowing our nation's strength depends on the integrity. Together we uphold. Together. United in these goals, we can create a future fairness prevails, and all Filipinos can align with the needs and trust. Thank you.